Yes, so in this game, so you have analyzed this game, right?
Yes, what did you answer?
Yeah, so I was saying you have analyzed this game, right?
Yes, yes, I analyzed the last game which the
Yeah,
opponent left. No, that game only I analyzed. Previous game,
yeah.
horribly played game, I don't analyze. I
Okay,
should now.
okay, so in this game, you will tell me what all happened and why it happened.
Okay.
So, okay, we'll see. E4, okay. E5. Now, yeah, now you tell me. Like, yeah, you tell me which move you played and why.
Then C3, I think.
And C3, okay. Okay, why not?
No, no, not this. I played G, I think. Sorry.
No, you played NC3 only.
This only I played, huh?
Yeah.
Acha, because there was nothing to defend. I thought, okay, let me develop.
Okay, but yeah, this is also okay move, but before that you can go this and attack the pawn.
Attack, yes.
Yeah, now.
Now the other knight, F3.
Okay. Now.
Should I play? Take out my bishop. F, B, C4.
Okay, bishop C4. So now, for example, we will see what black played. But for example, if black plays this,
I play my H2.
I'm just playing some different move from black to.
No problem. Yeah, yeah. Mhm. Now my turn. No?
Yes, yes.
Mhm. D, D3.
D3, okay.
Bishop command driver. Now my scene B, G. Where it can go to G5. B, G5.
Okay.
I think most of my games I played this. You notice this?
Yeah, I have seen. That's why I am introducing a new move.
Acha. Okay, okay. Mhm. Queen D2. Q D2. अरे 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 अरे. I take your pawn with this G wala. I should how I should write. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. This was so fast. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Now you
Have
will
to say
lose your queen.
yes.
So this is the, for example, this all started with this move.
Yes.
So that is why when you like whenever you develop your knight and your opponent played this d6 move,
Hmm?
So you should be able to guess that your opponent is trying to come on this square.
Yes, last lesson also you taught me chess. I forgot.
So your opponent is
Okay.
trying to come on this square to pin this knight.
Yes.
And let's see what happens. So your opponent only also played this, but like when you also played h3, but he captured your knight. So I did not capture, I just went one step back.
Okay.
So I'm keeping the pressure on this diagonal. And now my plan is that I will bring this knight also on d4 and attack this knight one more with one more piece. Now
So
what?
now I should have moved my G2, no?
No, if you move g2, then you do not have any other defender other than queen to defend this knight. So
No,
basically,
my idea is if it goes to G2,
go to g2, then
G4, sorry. G4 it can go, no? G4.
uh, yeah, if you go to
Yes.
g2, then I have achieved my objective that I forced you to push this pawn.
Oh,
This is my objective, and then I'll simply play this.
okay.
And then if you think of castling this side, then what I will do, I will just push this pawn and I will push this.
Okay.
So for example, now if you try to develop your bishop, you go there, I'll play this. And then you go there, I'll play this. And then you try to go for development, play your queen, then I will push this pawn. So this pawn will march forward, and if you castle on this side, then I will bring my queen also this side. The
Queen.
bishop will also there.
Mm-hmm.
This knight is also there.
Okay.
Main idea is, and yeah, apart from that, one more thing that when you played, I go there. You play d3. Okay, I play knight, bishop there. Yeah, so now you played this queen, and then of course you will lose. But suppose even if you play something else, then also I will capture your knight. Then if you capture with your pawn, I am getting succeed in doubling up your pawn. And this, so you will be not able to castle on this side. And second, if you plan to castle on this side, I will just go with the same idea. So to avoid all this complication, whenever your opponent play this pawn on d6 and try to open this diagonal, you can simply play h3 first before him coming on g4.
Okay.
And then everything is saved.
I should make my move before the opponent's move. Get ready.
Yes, so basically when your opponent is playing, he is showing his intent. His intent is to come on g4.
Mm.
You should try to uh, stop your opponent plans.
Yes.
Yeah, so in the game he did not go back, he captured your knight. Now tell me what you should do.
Capture with my queen, but I think in the game I did with my G2.
Yeah, same like I told you over WhatsApp. So it's better to
Yes,
capture with a queen
with my queen. Yes,
because now you are opening up this file
yes,
and you have doubled pawn.
yeah.
And if you
I
capture,
was thinking also, this one I was thinking also so much, but okay.
so now if you capture with your queen, you are threatening checkmate.
Mm. Oh,
So suppose if your opponent plays some random move, for example this, then it's checkmate in one.
The king can only move this side, this side. Yes. 1, 2. If he moves there, also problem. Maybe it's okay. This is a checkmate or stalemate. I'm thinking checkmate. Okay.
Because black king is in the
Yes.
check.
Yes.
So you should play always this kind of move where you are not doubling up your pawn and also you are threatening something.
Okay.
Okay.
The game would have got finished there itself.
Yeah. Okay. Now you tell me, then we'll see. Now it
I
is
think
white.
I moved my D2. I think I moved my D2. I don't.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I wanted to develop this bishop. No?
Yes, now.
Bishop will go there. कहाँ जाएगी? To BG5. G5. 5.
No, you
I
play.
played here, huh?
Yes.
Acha, okay. Okay.
So this is also good move, but like from position point of view, like you have a double pawn, right?
Yes.
So you should try to get rid of them, at least one.
Okay.
Right now you can simply play this.
Okay.
And if your opponent captures, then you can capture with your bishop.
Then I can take this. Yes.
So now there is no double pawn.
Okay.
And then you can simply maybe move your queen and go for this side test.
Yes.
And then you can bring this rook also there, or maybe this rook there, and try to attack on these pawns. Since your bishop is also there, this bishop is also there.
Yes.
Whenever you have a double pawn, try to get rid of at least one of them.
Yes.
Okay, now.
This position also I was breaking my head. Whether to capture that and go about it. Like my knight is there, can capture that. Then this knight captures, then my bishop captures. And the queen comes into the place. I have a pawn. So you asked me to count how many, what do you call that? See, I have my bishop, I have my knight, I have my pawn. One,
Yes.
2, 3, right?
Yes.
Okay. And even he has only 2.
Yes.
So I could have captured my mind at an advantage, right?
Yes.
So this I was calculating a lot. And then I don't know. Then I said, "Okay." I think less than 10 minutes of the game, such things come, no? So I just break laga deti hu, sort of.
No, it's okay. In the beginning, it will take time, but after some time, you will remember this position and you will play more quickly.
Okay. Because I have this 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Yes.
So right now you could have easily captured
Yes.
because you are majority.
Yes. With my pawn also, if I take, what's the deal? Like first attack should be from where? I've got 3 options, right?
Yeah.
Which one
So
should be my first option?
your first option should be either bishop or your knight because they will go more closer to your opponent king.
Acha, okay. No, but anyway, I'm going to lose it, no?
How?
The knight will take, or
Okay.
the queen can take.
No, queen can't take. Like if you capture, if queen take, you will simply capture.
Okay, and even I have my bishop also in place.
Yes.
Okay,
So most
okay.
likely either this knight will capture, then you capture.
Mhm. Okay.
So in this, you did not lose anything, you won a pawn.
Yes.
And now you have a two bishop who are nicely placed.
Yes. Hmm. This, I am unable to think so much in advance. Like after it moves, no, I should keep my board also ready and then play, isn't it?
Yeah, you should
How
think
to
it.
improve this? See, 1 second, sorry. Now
Yes.
see how you after you showed only I can make out okay, like I'm at an advantage. So I should keep my board ready and keep moving that way. So
Board.
that will be easier. Yeah, tell me.
Board, do you mean physical board, chess board?
Yeah, yeah.
No, that will be you are cheating with your opponent.
Acha.
You have to
Okay.
calculate everything in your mind.
Okay.
Like when you play in front, for example, if you are playing face to face, you can't have a two chess boards.
Something like that happens. Okay, okay. For
So
analysis, I can do this.
yeah,
Okay.
that you can do post game analysis.
Post game analysis, I'll put on my board.
Yeah,
Otherwise, it's very difficult. That analysis also, for me, it was becoming so difficult to understand. Like,
yeah. So this all you have to keep trying in your mind only,
okay.
because then only you will be like in one game you will do some mistake, in second game you will do, then gradually it will get less, and then you will learn.
Mm, okay. So, two blunders in this game.
No, these are just normal learning things. Okay, now I don't know what your opponent played. We will see. But if I am playing black, I will play this.
Attacking both 1 and 2. Yes. I'll move my bishop somewhere.
So
Mm,
you do whatever, at least you will lose one of them.
yes.
So that is why when your opponent plays this d5, it was important to capture this pawn.
Yes.
Because if you don't capture, then this pawn will come forward and attack both the pieces.
Yes.
So this kind of imagination you have to develop.
Okay.
That your opponent played this, so you not only calculate that you have three pieces, you also calculate if you don't capture, then what he or she can play.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So for example, right now you played bishop b5.
Yes.
So before playing this, you should calculate and think what you will do if your opponent plays this.
Even at this stage, I should think I should capture this d5.
Yes, this of course you should capture, but suppose if you don't want to capture and you are just thinking what will happen, then you should think, suppose if you move your bishop somewhere else, then you should think, can this pawn move forward and attack your both the pieces?
Mm-hmm.
So this much at least you should think.
Okay.
Let's see what your opponent did. Yeah, your opponent did not play this. Now also he have chance of playing this.
Yes.
Because if
Once I miss that, no, gone from my mind. Mhm. Now I captured a name. Even now I didn't. Okay.
yeah, capturing with this pawn was good,
Mhm.
because you are double pawn, right?
Yes.
So it's better to undouble them. Whenever we have a double
Yes.
pawn, we should always try to undouble
Yes.
them. Okay, right now also you can like simply go back and let him play this.
Generally, I play that, but Again, that pawn, again, I'm after the bishop only.
Yeah, if you go there, let him play this, and then you can come back.
Okay,
Now you are attacking this pawn also.
this one, yes. Okay,
And now he also will not be able to castle on this side because he has already pushed this pawn.
yes. I lost my bishop. Huh? Okay,
Now,
what did I play now? Brought my queen, I think. E2. I brought my queen. Nothing is attacking me. Attacking me. No.
do you know what black played just now?
This knight on h5, no?
Okay, so now think.
Should think what is his idea, right? Mhm. I can capture the knight with my queen. Qx h5.
So this knight is defended or undefended?
Undefended.
Yeah, so you can simply capture it.
I think I capture in the game.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now.
Check, check, check. Now I'll take my knight out. Knight on c3. c3, knight will come to d5. Now I'll capture the rook. h8. Q cross h8.
You can simply capture this
Undefended. Yes.
because there is no one to defend this.
No one to defend. But I think I didn't capture, did I? Don't remember. No, I think. Yes, I
You,
did this.
you played knight d5.
Yes.
So knight d5 is a good move, but it is not threatening anything because now
Anybody.
you can
Yes.
simply capture this.
Yes.
And even if you are threatening to capture this bishop, this queen and king is there.
Bad move, sort of. Now I should have captured the rook straight away, right? And
Yeah.
given check.
For example, if you capture the rook, then it's check.
Yes. And the king can't move anywhere. Where it will move? We have to defend with one of this. Bishop only can save. Okay.
Now what you should do?
After this, where is my? Let's see. I'll take my bishop out. B3. It's an E3 lane. It goes there. Keep it my queen. If I move my bishop from E3 to B cross H6.
Okay, so you capture. Suppose if this bishop
Yes,
captures,
I'll take with my queen.
this bishop can't even capture your bishop.
It can't. It's not a legal move. Yes. So that's it. Okay.
So your queen is.
I'm not thinking. Yeah. Spinning, no?
You should always try to attack the pinned pieces.
Okay.
So this is how you can attack when you have chance.
Yes. So after this, supposing I move this, then after that, what we'll do? 1 second. 1, 2, 3.
Now he can castle maybe.
Okay.
And now what will you play?
I will take that bishop. Qx f8. Arre. I should have taken. I'll take. First, I should have attacked with my bishop, then the queen, right? In this case, this one.
Now this rook can't capture, because if rook capture, then you capture with your queen.
Then I have the queen. Yes. So these calculations I should do in my mind first thing. Oh. Okay.
Now suppose if I play this,
What should I do? Right. Let's say it should come somewhere and give check. कहाँ से check देंगे? 1, 2, 3. So compare it will take. Compare it will take. I'm not going to move my bishop or queen now. I will take the help. First thing I'll do castling of my. No need to hurry now for castling.
you think?
Because the queen is there, it will attack my pawn and give check. So I'll do castling now.
No, which pawn this queen will attack?
Yeah.
Which pawn?
Just a minute, sir. Just a minute.
Yes.
Hello. Nisha. Kanna, my game is on. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Okay, sorry, sir. Yeah, continue. See, now that king, since the queen is there. Hello. Nisha. Yeah, my game is on. Yeah, busy with my game. 4:15 ka prema call panni. Sorry. Okay, anything urgent? Yeah, sorry, sir. Yeah, see that queen can attack my pawn on 4. Yes, and give check.
Okay, let's see. Okay, it is okay. So like this pawn and this knight are defending this.
Yes.
So no need to worry about this check.
Okay.
But still you can worry about that your queen, the opponent queen is on the same file.
Yes, so I should
That
think about castling.
okay, do you want to castle?
Later on, now I'll think about attacking the king since I am after the king. To go here, when it comes here. 1, 2, 3. So I'll move my knight.
There.
Knight to d5.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. If it moves there, what happens?
No,
Rook attack.
that you have to think before moving.
No problem. I saw that my pawn is there.
Okay.
But if it is there, then again. My queen also gone. This queen also gone. Arre. I'll bring my queen to f6. To f6. This should have been my previous move itself. Q f6.
Do you want to go queen f6 right now?
No. अभी क्या करें? One of these pieces I'm missing. No, Q I'll do to 7. G7. Yes. But even now I can't take, no? Arre.
So right now you tell me how many opponent pieces are attacking your bishop.
My bishop is attacked by the queen. And 9. Okay, rook.
And how many pieces are defending this bishop?
Only one, my queen.
So it means black can capture your bishop.
Okay.
So now if you play something else, for example this, then he'll capture. If you capture, then this rook will capture.
Yes.
So this is general idea, but still this is totally fine for white because now you can simply capture the other knight too.
Okay.
And now you have two rook
Yes.
and two minor pieces, and your opponent has only one rook.
Here's only one. Okay. So
Okay, so
even afterwards, this also it's not a bad deal. Like
yeah, it's a very good deal.
okay.
So now I want you to play and checkmate the black. I will try my best to defend from black with one rook, and you have four pieces.
Okay.
So
Let me check. कहाँ से check करेंगे? First I will do castling now.
so it is black to move. I played this.
Okay. So, remove 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am a knight in danger. Knight कहाँ करें? Here. I will go here. 1, 2, 3.
So now we are doing this practice for you to win a chess game when you are ahead. Like this game, you should win at all cost because you have four pieces
Okay.
and black has only one. But still, I will try to put some resistance.
Oh my goodness. Knight I will move to D, knight D5.
D5, okay.
धीरे धीरे अभी क्या करें अभी क्या करें knight E7.
Knight E7.
7, yes. Captures the G6. तो मेरा घोड़ा चला जाएगा. No, 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 no. What should I do? To capture this also gone. अरे रे रे, this also gone. Where should I go now? 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. Still got my rook into the game. Right. Two. Comes here. Two, three. One, two, three. Okay, knight will capture it. C6 and cross C6.
Okay.
My B goes to D5. D5. Yes. Should I play now? Where is my knight? One, two, three. Now it's in black. Mine is white. Take my rook out. G1. Rook G1. R G1. Yes. Mhm. Go to G3. R G3. Capture this one, it will capture. फिर क्या हुआ? Then I can go. This goes. Should I do? उसमें बाद में देखते हैं. No, can't take this. Take this. I think it will take this. Okay. Capture करो. One, two. Capture it. Then I will lose my card. So open up here. To capture your pawn, क्या होगा? You will capture one. Exchange. It's a good exchange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll capture your pawn. F. How do I write that? F6. E4, F6.
E capture on F5.
E capture on F5. Okay.
You want to capture this pawn, right?
We क्या करे? What else to do? I'm thinking no. Then you'll capture my bishop. So I don't want to do that. And if I move my knight, it's a problem. I'll do castling now. I'll attack that pawn G7.
Okay, tell me what will you say this move?
R cross G6.
Yeah, this is how you will write, and when you say, you will say rook capture on G6.
Rook capture on G6. Okay. Yeah, yeah. First I should have moved this and then captured, right? No problem. Now what I will do? Again I'll come down to this one. I come here. I come here. Can't two piece. So what will happen is two. One, two. This here. Okay. to attack the pawn on f4. How do I do that? I'll come here and take it. Let's go. G, again it will go one step further. Here's this attacking this. Give check. Check देते हैं चलो. Check. Okay, here. Okay. It is also on the right. How do I take it? I should have moved my bishop there, then I could have gone here. Captured your rook. ये क्या करे? फिर कहाँ पे? G2. Rook G2. Rook G2.
Rook G2, okay. Okay, so right now you have a chance of checkmating the black king.
Yes.
So you should try for that.
But the queen king can escape, no? It has got two places to go.
How? Tell me.
See, move my rook to, what is that? C6, yes.
Yeah, now where the king will go?
Now it can come to the black square here and here.
Okay, tell me one square.
4. B4.
B4, okay. Check. Now?
Now if okay, now if I move my pawn there.
No, now king goes to king. Hello?
To B4. King to B4, you said, no?
Yeah, king goes to B4, then I played C3 check.
Yes.
And now where the king will go?
Left corner, A4.
Okay, and now I played bishop B3 check.
Now where it will go? One, if there's only, it can't go here because this is there, bishop is there, this is there. Down it can't come to 3. Check. It can't come here. Yes. This is gone already up. Attack this one. Okay. So, chalo move. Let us move this and see.
We will first say this. So now
See.
king has two options, right?
Yes.
So first we are seeing this.
This option, yes.
So now this is like checkmating 3-4 that you will practice later, but just to show,
Okay.
you can simply give check.
Okay.
And now black has only one square.
Yes, A4.
And now you need to be careful because if you give check with your pawn, then this black king will come down.
Yes.
So you give check with your bishop.
Okay.
And now these two squares are defended by these 2 pawns.
Okay.
And it's a check.
Yes.
So it's a checkmate.
Okay. And if it goes to this square, here,
And again the same thing will work.
again, see, if I go there, it can't come down, it has to go up. Okay. No, at this position it can capture my bishop, no? Yes, this is there. Correct. Defended. Right. Okay. The king can't move anywhere. Okay.
So this is also checkmate.
This also will play and see. 1, 2, 3. 1. This one I remove. One, this. Okay.
So when you have extra pieces, always try to attack and don't lose your pieces like this. Like knight, if I attack your knight, and then like you should see, you should calculate in advance. If you go there, this pawn will come there. Then where should you go?
Where should I move? Right.
So if you go there, pawn attack. Then if you go to e7 and check, then you should calculate in advance. If this king comes near an attack, do you have any safe square or not?
Right.
Right now, it's better to just save your knight. Maybe go there and then maybe castle and bring the other rook into the game.
Okay.
And try to exchange at least one of your rook with this rook.
Okay. Even if I lose a rook, it's okay. Only one strong piece the black has.
Yeah, then your opponent will be left with nothing, and it will be easier for you.
Okay.
This is one of the principles that when you have more number of pieces, try to exchange the pieces so that you will left with at least one extra piece.
Yeah.
And then it will become easy. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show first. So we will just see what happened in the game. Knight d5, okay. Okay, now tell me your move.
I missed capturing that rook.
Now black played f6.
Capture with my rook. Knight. See, I think I captured the pawn.
If you capture with your knight, then this bishop captures.
Then with my queen, I'll capture.
This bishop can't move.
My queen, no? Queen on e5.
Okay, now for example, you capture. Can this bishop capture your knight?
No, it can't. And it's a check.
And at the same time, you are attacking the queen also.
Queen also, yes.
Now this bishop can't capture because it will be a check.
Yes.
Let's see what happened in the game. Okay. Now
I played this in the game. Huh?
Yes.
Now I captured the queen.
Okay.
It's my knight. Yeah. Oh. I thought so. Okay.
So you
I
should
love
have
my bishops.
you should have simply captured the queen and then
yeah. Yes.
will...
That's what I'm telling. No, I love my bishops.
And now opponent, let's see what he will do.
What he did? He came there.
Now
to capture my queen. He's attacking my queen.
Now what should be your move?
I will take that bishop with my queen. Q, what is that? Q, E7. Q cross E7.
Okay, why not simply capture this queen?
My queen will also go now. I want my queen.
But when you capture the queen on D7, it will come with a check.
Ah, okay.
So he will have to move his king, and whenever he moves his king, then you save your queen.
That time, yes. What I did in the game, I think I moved my queen. Acha, दिमाग चला.
The queen and king moves to e8.
Now I captured the rook, I think.
Yes.
After a long time I saw. Okay.
So now it is black to play. Black resign, I think,
Yes.
but I will play.
At this point only I was thinking this bishop, no, on e7.
Yes.
That can straight away capture my bishop on c5. Correct?
But right now it's check.
Which check? Oh, it can, if it captures my knight,
Okay.
I'll capture the rook on
You can.
e8. Q cross e8. Okay. And now black will take my bishop. Yes. Now I bring my knight into the picture. My rook into the picture.
And right,
This is
right now is the best time to castle. Bring your other
castle.
rook also.
Okay. So castling at this stage. Okay. Fine.
Because if you castle, now you will have two rooks who can attack.
Yes. And also this bishop on 5, no, it can come here and give check straight.
There.
Yes. Okay. I have two rooks. Okay.
Now you play. You try to checkmate. White should win here.
What should I do is I'll move my bishop to white d5.
B5.
B
Okay.
d5. Yes.
Hmm.
Ready. Now if I capture, what will happen? 1, 2. If I take with my bishop, queen will come. Anyway, it's on white. If I capture the knight,
We
knight
don't.
of q, just can't take. Q cross c6. What will happen? Goes there. I have my. Okay, now I take care of this bishop down. तो भूल गई now. Okay, first check के पीछे जाते हैं. Now see, at this stage, should I be after my queen, my king, or the opponent's king?
You should try to checkmate as early as possible because opponent king is very unsafe and you have your queen and bishop nearby it.
Okay.
You can try to checkmate.
Okay. I will capture this pawn. C7. तो क्या हुआ? Bishop can't come. No? Let's again check. It went there. अभी क्या करें? If I go there, so my bishop comes here, comes there, it can move. I'll bring my knight into the picture now, I think. Is it possible with queen and bishop, or I have to bring my rook out?
No, queen and bishop are
More than
yeah,
enough.
yeah, they are enough to checkmate.
Acha, okay. Now if I go down, it will go up. So there near white. So I'll come here and give check, then it goes to the black. I'll come here. नहीं, क्या कर रही है? 2, 3. So my q goes to 8. Check again, it comes here. I want it in the white row. Q I will move to F. Let's take F7. F7. अरे क्या करे up down अगेन पीछे से चेक बट दिस बिशप इज here. Q to F6.
Okay, so right now if you give check like this, this king will keep running out.
Okay.
Right now you should prepare for it. Like for example, if you simply play like bishop e6.
Okay.
Now you are threatening checkmate there.
Okay.
Now, now this black king can't come on this file because of the queen.
Yes.
He can't go on c8 because of this bishop.
Okay.
He can't go there because of the
So
queen.
it can't come because of you. Okay.
And now black has to do like maybe he will give just one check. You can simply go there.
Okay.
Now whatever black does, this queen is going to come there and checkmate.
Okay.
Now like for example anything. So this thing you will learn by practicing that checkmating too.
So no need for capturing this black bishop for me. Yeah?
No, when you are getting checkmate.
Go after it. Okay.
Yeah. Even right now, like rather than capturing this pawn, you can simply give check.
Simply go there. But it can go piche, so it can go. Na?
Where? Tell me a square.
D8.
Go d8, I'll simply go there.
Okay.
Now again I'm threatening a checkmate.
Go face to face with the king, right?
Yes.
Okay. Unless, of course, taking care of the pawn and all those things. Okay.
And if king goes there, then?
F7. QF7.
Yes. 7 will be checkmate.
Yes.
So these kind of checkmate you will learn when you practice more and more, like there's checkmate in 1, checkmate in 2.
Yeah.
And
2 is so difficult. Some of this I solved only 5, out of which only 2 I could solve. Like the
no,
first.
After some time you have to solve checkmate in 4.
Okay.
So
this I will finish. Only 100 puzzles. No, I'll finish this. Maybe 3 days time.
Yes.
That's the target I've kept for myself.
Yeah, so this is how you can keep attacking when you have a chance, and don't miss this kind of move when you can easily capture the rook.
Yes, and this also so late I captured this rook.
This move was good that you found this knight capture on f6. And right now after that you should have finished this with knight capture on queen.
Yes.
So whenever you have an attack, when you have upper hand, don't give any chance to your opponent to come back. Because you never know when your opponent can do some nice moves and then he will be back into the game.
Yes, yes. Previously, know that arrows and all will come. So I know I can attack this, I can do that. Now, so I use my brains.
No, now you are playing better without arrows.
Acha, oh, thank you.
Earlier with arrows, you were doing many blunders.
Blunders. Some of
Now
my
it's
blunders are, repetitive blunders. I was writing that only. Repetitive blunders cannot be excused.
yes, now it's far far better.
Okay.
Now the only thing is that this small thing you can improve. When you have a very nice attack going on, don't give a single chance to your opponent.
Yes. Okay.
So till your opponent like dies fully, you should not. You have to be very careful.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. That's all for today. Now we'll meet
Now
tomorrow.
this move also I was thinking, I was not even thinking of attacking the pawn. I was thinking I'll take it to I will attack the bishop and this queen, like pieces, pinning piece I will attack. So that was my idea about this move.
Yeah, but that
And
idea came. That idea came because you did not say this.
yes,
So if there would not have been any rook, then this move have been best.
ah, right, okay.
So, but this game is really good. Like there were few moves which is really nice, especially this one, knight capture on f6. I hope when you are
Yeah.
playing this game, you saw that this bishop can't capture.
This I I didn't see. Honestly speaking, I don't see. I don't know where I'm missing, but I don't see the pinning. This no pieces I should see. That it's you ask me. No, is it a legal move? That time
Yes.
also like the other game. You remember on the left
Yeah.
side you brought the bishop. I am not. I'm unable to see the pinning pieces.
Yeah. That will come gradually.
This actually, I thought, oh, I'm going there, but chalega even if my night goes. So I was thinking all like that.
Yeah. So
Okay,
so so right now you should think that if you capture this pawn, two three things you should keep in mind. First, this bishop can't capture.
yes.
Second, you are giving check.
Mm.
Third, you
And
are
also
attacking the
attacking
queen.
queen. Yes,
So these things should come in mind before capturing this pawn.
before capturing. Yes. And later on only it struck my mind. Oh, I can take I can capture the queen. So
But
late
but
in the game, I remembered.
but still you did not capture. You played your bishop.
Ah, Ade.
So these are the very small things. If your opponent is good, then he will come back.
Yeah, yeah. Quite a few games I lost. No beginning and all.
Yeah.
Winning games I have lost
Yeah.
because
So
of
right.
such blunders.
Yeah.
Yes,
So right now it's totally winning for white. But if you do any single mistake, then you will lose.
gone. Yes.
So in chess, like even is like when you learn more, when you become bit advanced, then you will realize that even small mistake will cost you a game,
Mm-hmm.
and even small advantage you will be able to convert into a win.
Okay.
So now you are playing your opponent of like 1,000 and all those things, but when you go beyond like 1,500 or 700, 800, there you will
Oh,
see
they
your
play really well,
they don't do any mistake.
like you. You don't do any mistakes.
So you have to be like very careful.
Careful. Yes.
So and that you
No,
will
this
learn.
legal moves. No, I have to see the pinning piece. No, this I have to keep a watch on fork
Yes.
and pinning piece.
Yeah.
This
That
I
will
will.
come. That will come.
Mm, okay.
Okay. Bye bye. Then we'll meet tomorrow.
Bye bye. Thank you so much. Yeah. Bye.